Ito yung, ganito. Yung nagnovena ka, kulang na lang. Nag-alay ka ng kung ano-ano, kulang na lang lumuhod ka mula sa entrance ng simbahan hanggang sa altar para lang, Lord, sige na. Ibigay niyo naman na siya sa akin. Please, God. Yung pinagdasal natin yung isang tao na alam natin in our heart of hearts na parang hindi talaga siya para sa atin, di ba? Kasi malalaman mo naman if the person is really for you. Yeah. Tapos yung mga iba, yung isa sabi niya sa akin, Chris, hingi ako ng hingi ng sign kay God na siya na ba? Yeah. Tapos sabi niya, kahit saan ako tumingin, sabi niya, laging may sign. Of course, kasi psychologically, pag humingi ka ng sign, mag-o-open yung tinatawag na RAS, Reticular Activating System mo. Like for example, pag buntis ka, halos lahat na nakikita mo sa kalye, buntis, di ba? Kasi yung naka-align, naka-tune in ka doon eh. So, sabi niya, Chris, lahat naman ng sign na hiningi ko nandun. Yes, pero hindi ko mo nabigyan tayo ng sign or nakakita tayo ng sign na siya na talaga ang ating forever. Okay? Sige na, sige na. Okay, okay. Tap yourself on the shoulder. It's okay, self. Hindi kahinaan yung ginawa nating pagdarasal. Hindi kahinaan yung sinabi natin kay God na, please God. Ibig lang sabihin noon ay taimtim talaga at malalim ang pagmamahal na nararamdaman mo. Okay, dear friends. So, I'm making light of this topic. Please don't feel bad, kasi baka isipin niyo si Chris talaga. Hindi ko pinagtatawan. Kasi nangyari din halos lahat sa akin to eh. Kaya, okay, I'm going to share with you something. There was a time in my life na itong kanta na to ni Paul Anka, itong Think I'm in Love Again. Kinanta to, na parang feeling ko ako, napatukoy siya sa akin. So, akala ko naman talaga, uy, love na love ako ng taon to. Kasi, parang, kinakantahan ako ng kanta na Think I'm in Love Again. And I want you to listen to this song. Mga kaibigan, pakinggan natin tong kanta na to ni Paul Anka. I'll sing a few lines for you. Na may mga senyales talaga no, na alam mo kapag, uy, iba yung, sabi nga, iba yung nakikita sa tinititigan talaga. Right? So, this song, Think I Am in Love Again, pag naririnig ko, it makes me smile. Kasi, binabalik ako sa time ng buhay ko when I was really, crazy. Crazy, for falling. Hindi ko alam yung kanta na yun, but I was, overwhelmingly in love. Sabi ng kanta, here I go again, tripping on my own feet. Lately it seems I've been being old foolish me. I mumble when I try to talk, stumble when I try to walk. It's like I'm in a state of shock when I'm with you. Naramdaman mo rin yun, di ba? Nangangabulol ka, di mo alam ang gagawin mo sa sarili mo, di mo alam kung anong ayos ng buhok mo, di mo alam kung mabango ka ba or okay ka ba. Here I go again, happy Valentine, looking just like a clown. Everything I say is wrong whenever you're around. Somehow I got kind of shy. I can't look you in the eye. I come all apart inside when I'm with you. I think I'm in love again. Grinning that silly grin. Look what a fool I've been. Think I'm in love again. Lately I've lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs. I think I'm in love. Yes, you know all the signs. You think you're in love. And don't forget, love is power at the end of the day. So enjoy this very beautiful song, Think I'm in Love Again by Paul Anka.
Here I go again, tripping on my